As educators, it is in part our job to encourage children to have a positive self-image. If children do not have a positive self-image, it can lead to self-harm or thoughts of suicide. One big thing that us as educators can do is to give children choices throughout the day. When they know that they are a deciding factor in their day and that their day matters, it can change their self-image for the better. Somewhere that self-image needs to be watched is on the internet. Some may reach out to social media to post that they have a negative self-image to get those compliments. Many find negative and positive reinforcement from these actions. Some may be looking for compliments, however, there are cyberbullies on the internet that we need to help children watch out for. Part of this is by watching what they post on social media and encouraging positive social media posts.